Cause the homie got an orange Reaper, but a new one on feature. Supposed to be into this shit. This is the right color right here.
I got it.
Oh, that shit go hard. That's crazy. This shit was on YouTube. I seen this one before. See the door? I got the little the shit. Yeah, that shit go hard. That shit hard, nigga. But that's supposed to be crocodile. I ain't never seen no blue crocodile.
That's albino. Dang. Fish tank. Somebody took the head off. Dang, this is hard.
Mimi.
I've seen this somewhere.
I know I remember showing they got big. They got big as fuck.
So what? These albino gators. It could be because the truck make them look small.
I thought 6 was big when I was riding that Django 6.
It's fucking 8.
You got me on camera? Yeah, I just bought this right here, man. Bought this right here,
Let's ride out. Xbox control. Yeah, we good. Yeah. Alright, so. Alright, man. Alright. Dang, this truck right here. When I film the inside, the alligator head on the door is gone. Like somebody took the whole head. Ain't Peyton.
I like the bike.
Man, there's people. Wow.
Hey. Oh, okay. Most swift cars, yeah, come on, yeah.
Your car right here.
Huh?
Your car.
Oh, Oh, that's silly.
It's delicious. Yes.
It does give you a picture. It is important. Someone should be looking for you.
Who?
Shit.
She saw you at a party?
No, she gave me a face. She said it was important. Okay. She ain't talking to you. She said something she gotta tell you something important. I don't know.
She won't.
I think she be trying to just make conversation. She always be saying that. Shit. You talk to my cousin? I was just, what was that?
What? Twine house or what?